Here we have this 2001 to 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. In this video, we're going over some quick and easy fixes that you can do yourself. The wiper blades, we'll start with those. You gotta have wiper blades, especially when it's raining. You don't want them scratching your windshield when they get old. Now these wiper blades are a little bit different. There's a little clip right here and they slide out like this. Most of the time, when you lift up the wiper blade, there'll be a clip on the back here. You just slide it out, take the new one and just slide it on the same way it came off. Just slide it on, lock it down. These mirrors are extremely easy to replace. There's no wires, they're manual mirrors. So all you need to do is take this cover off. You just use a trim tool, pop it out, slide it up. There's a little insulation in here. Take those 3 nuts off, mirror comes out, put the new one on, nice and easy. These headlights, they're probably the quickest and easiest headlights to replace in the world. You just take this pin out, just slide it out, then grab the light assembly, and it slides right out. There you can change the bulbs, nice and easy. That was the high beam bulb, this is the low beam bulb. Disconnect the connector. Installing it, you just put it back in the same way you took it out. And it just slides back in. To aim the headlights, just use a Phillips head screwdriver, and right here, that's where the adjustment is. The air filter, there's an air box right here, and all you have to do is take 4 screws out, lift up the air box, take the air filter out, put the new one in, you're good to go. Let's talk about the battery. Now, you can't start the vehicle if you don't have a good battery, and if you need to replace it, it's really not that hard. This vehicle actually has 2 batteries. There's an auxiliary battery right here, and the other one is over on the driver's side, right there in the front. Replacing the batteries is going to be the same procedure for either one. You just need to disconnect the negative cable first, and then the positive. And there's a bracket down below that you use a 13mm socket. Take that bracket out and slide the battery out. Reinstalling procedure is the reverse of taking it out. Put the mount in first, and then always start with the positive, put the positive on, and then put the negative on. The tail lights, you gotta open the tailgate, and there's 2 screws to take off. Use a Phillips head screwdriver, there's a screw there, and a screw down there. Then the tail light assembly slides right out, and you can replace the bulbs if you want, or replace the whole assembly. So there's a few things that you can do on your Chevy Silverado that'll save you a couple bucks. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.